Hi guys, my name is Tabitha. Today I'm going to be giving you a look at this really great portable handheld steamer. This thing is really incredible and has truly impressed me. I'm going to show you how this lightweight denim button-up looked before I used this on it, and of course now it looks perfect and seamless. So this thing is obviously nice and compact. It's going to make it great for travel purposes. It's definitely going to fit into suitcases or maybe even a handbag really easily and not take up much space whatsoever. They do provide you with a little travel storage bag, and this is nice and soft, so it'll be gentle on the other items that are in and around it. And you can very simply store this away or take it on the go. Now, when it comes to using this, it is very simple to get set up. The little water tank is here on the back, and this thing holds quite a bit of water, which really impressed me, especially for its compact size. You are not going to have an issue of running out of water very quickly. It very simply snaps off, and then you have the little waterproof plug up here that you can open up and you can get this filled with water, and then just line up the little hole here with this and slide it back on and it will snap into place. And then when you plug this up, you're going to switch this over to the on option. It's the middle setting for the switch, and then you'll see a blue indicator light pop up behind the water tank. Once that blue light goes off, it lets you know that it is ready and warmed up, so you can switch it over to steam and start doing your thing. Now, if you switch it too soon, say that light is still on, you might notice that you get more water spots, but once it's fully ready and heated, it's going to do a great job. I got no water spots whatsoever, so no leaking. It did an incredible job, and it puts out a great amount of steam for its size. I was thoroughly impressed. It made steaming this button-up shirt an absolute breeze, and this is a light denim, so it's a little bit thicker than your average t-shirt or something would be. So in my opinion, it takes a little bit more work to get the wrinkles out, and this little steamer handled it perfectly. So I'm going to absolutely love this for trips, or even just if you're limited on space and you need something more compact. This is going to be a great option to have at home as well. So if you guys were looking for a really incredible portable handheld steamer, this is such a great option. I know you guys would love this. I would definitely give it a try.